Welcome, travelers, to the Cosmic Command Center. You've been told your zodiac sign defines you, but what if the version of you people actually experience isn't your sun sign at all? Your rising sign is. Your rising sign, also called your ascendant, is the energy you broadcast automatically. It shapes your first impressions, your body language, your natural reactions, and how people read your presence before you even speak. Your sun sign is your identity. Your moon sign is your inner world. But your rising sign is your interface with reality. It is the energetic doorway people meet first. Think of it like this. If your life is a video game, your sun sign is your character's purpose. Your moon sign is your internal dialogue. But your rising sign is your avatar. It is your movement style, your aura, your default expression. It is how other people respond to you before they even understand you. This is why people often say, you don't act like your zodiac sign, because they're not meeting your sun sign first. They're meeting your rising sign. Let's make this real. An Aries rising feels bold, fast, and intense. A Libra rising feels balanced, attractive, and magnetic. A Scorpio rising feels mysterious, deep, and powerful. A Capricorn rising feels structured, serious, and dominant. A Pisces rising feels dreamy, soft, and intuitive. Same sun sign, completely different experience. Your rising sign is not random. It is the energetic lens your soul chose to experience this life through. It influences what opportunities open to you, what challenges find you, and how the world responds to your frequency. When you understand your rising sign, things start to click. You stop wondering why people react to you a certain way. You stop forcing identities that don't match your natural energy, and you start working with your design instead of against it. If you want to fully decode your rising sign and see how it shapes your reality, I broke everything down in detail on Code of Ascension. Tap the link in the description and read the full rising sign meaning guide. Understand your rising sign, and you understand how your reality meets you. Keep ascending. Like, comment, and subscribe to Code of Ascension for more light code insights.